Hello friends, welcome back to VOCAB Jab. We are back again with a new word to add to your vocabulary. Let us learn the word steadfast today. What does it mean? It means faithful and loyal. It can also mean staying the same for a long time, which means staying constant or stable. Let's check out few similar words that will help you understand this word better. Inflexible, adamant, devoted. Let us take one example of how we can form a sentence using steadfast. She was one of the Prime Minister's most steadfast supporters, which means she was one of the very trusted and a loyal supporter of the Prime Minister. That was the video, guys. We will see you soon with another interesting word or a phrase. Till then, bye bye and take care.